What's going on, guys? I'm Cody Mountjoy. This is Happy Host Cars and Stuff. And as you can see, I've got a couple of radiators here. One right here is a stock one from the Fiesta, and this right here is the Mountune radiator. So as you can see, I am in the process of swapping these out. I just want to give you a little review rundown as to the basics of what the Mountune radiator gives you compared to the, let's be honest, trash stock radiator. So looking at the data right here, it tells you it has a triple pass system. It means it runs through three times, and it also has been track tested. All this stuff, obviously, but it has a 10%. It says it has a 10% improvement in overall temps. Now, from what I've read and heard from other people with the Mountune radiator, is that they haven't seen above 200 degrees, even on like the hottest days, like 100-degree days and plus. So this right here is one of the best, if not the best, radiator on the market. So let's go ahead and open it up. So it's already out of the packaging. It has this nice covering on it to make sure none of the fins get knocked or anything like that, cut. So without cutting it myself, let's get this tape off. Look at that. Mountune right on it. As you can see right here, it's got Mountune on the top. Pretty sure, no, it doesn't have it on the bottom. But this is made by CSF. If you can't see it, there's a little logo right there for the CSF. So this is a pretty hefty radiator compared to this right here. So let's do a little size comparison. Put this down. Let's go from the bottom. Okay, so as you should be able to see, there is a noticeable difference in the width of these. So lengthwise, it's a drop-in fit. So the length is a little bit longer, but not too much to hinder anything. But the width is the biggest part. So you got, I don't know how big that is. I'll measure it in a second. But overall, it's a little bit thicker, which is what it needed the most. It's got a different system in it, the triple pass system, so that'll help it decrease the temps a lot more. So let's get to the measurements. This one is approximately 1 inch, exactly. And the new Mountune radiator is 1 1/4. So not a huge difference, but 1/4 plus a little bit of length, and I'm pretty sure height-wise it's a little bit taller. That makes a hell of a difference. So if you guys are looking for a radiator, I highly recommend this Mountune one. I will have my own comparison, not really comparison, but showing you the temps in my autocross days and track days to come, because now that I have this, I'm gonna be doing a lot more track days. So anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like it. Stay tuned for the install video if you're looking to install one, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.
Once again, thank you everybody for watching, and be sure to like it and leave your comments in the comment section below. As always, I'm up for a conversation, so let's have one. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for my content coming up soon, and to do that, you're going to have to ring that bell. And if you want to watch one of my other videos, click the link in the top left, or if you want to watch the Radiator install video, top right. Have a good one.